Hello students, so this is our last topic of unit 2, that is field area primitives, and we have to study two topic inside this, that is boundary fill algorithm and flood fill algorithm. So let's start with the fill area primitives and how we fill the shapes or the objects inside a computer graphics. So region filling is the process of filling image or region, and filling can be of boundary or interior region. So we can see in this these two diagram that in the first one we are only filling the boundary regions. हम लोग केवल बाउंड्री रीजन्स को ही पेंट कर रहे हैं, एंड इन द सेकेंड फिगर वी आर फिलिंग ऑल द पॉइंट्स, ऑल द पिक्सल इनसाइड दैट ऑब्जेक्ट. तो इसमें हम लोग इनर जो एरिया होता है वी विल पेंट दैट, वी विल फिल दैट वन. So boundary fill algorithms are used to fill the boundary and the flood fill algorithms are used to fill the interior. So we have to study these three: the boundary fill algorithm, the flood fill algorithm, the scan line polygon fill algorithms. So let's start with the first one, that is the boundary fill algorithm. So as the name suggests, we know that boundary fill algorithm will work for filling the boundary of any object. That means the painting the surface of the any object that is used by, that is made by the use of computer graphics. So this algorithm use the recursive method. And what type of recursive method it use? It use two types of approaches. The first one is this 4 connected and the second one is this 8 connected. So if suppose this is our pixel, so in this in 4 connected, what it does that it will connect all the pixels. That means the top one, the bottom one, and the left and the right one. ये इन 4 पिक्सल्स को कलर करता है. द बाउंड्री फिल एल्गोरिथम में 4 कनेक्टेड में व्हाट इट डज दैट it will take any pixel as a center and it will paint the top, bottom, left and right 4 pixels. But in 8 connected picture, what it does, it will select a pixel, that is the center pixel, and it will connect all the 8 pixels around that. The first one is top, bottom, left, right and all the 4 diagonals. That is, this is the top left, top right, bottom left and bottom right. तो इन दोनों अप्रोच में क्या हो रहा है कि वी कैन सी दैट दिस 8 pixel is much more complicated than in compared to this 4 pixel or 4 connected approach. So let's see how it is been complicated and why do we use 4 connected instead of the 8 connected approach. So this algorithm uses the recursive method, and first of all a starting pixel called as the seed. So this is the seed pixel, this is the seed pixel. Only this is the seed pixel, the center one, and in this case this is the seed pixel. So the algorithm checks boundary pixel or adjacent pixels are colored or not. If the adjacent pixel is already filled or colored, then leave it, otherwise fill it. तो यहाँ पे जो हम बतलाएं अभी, it will check for the center one, and if the it will select the center one as the seed pixel, and it will check for its boundary. So in 4 connected there are only 4 boundaries, that is top, bottom, left, right, and in 8 connected there are 8 boundaries that are top, bottom, left, right, top left, top right, bottom left and bottom right. So the filling is done using 4 connected or 8 connected approach. So the 4 connected approach is more suitable than the 8 connected approach. So how? The 4 connected approach, it has left, right, below, above, and in 8 connected approach it has left, right, above, below and 4 diagonals. So it is having this 4 diagonals, this one and this, which I have named as top left, top right and bottom left, bottom right. So boundary can be checked by seeing pixels from left and right first, then pixels are checked by seeing pixels from top to bottom, and the algorithm takes time and memory because some recursive calls are needed. So recursive call कैसे होगा? Let's take an example. If we are having this image, this is a square, so what it will do is that it will select any point. This is the seed point, and it will check if you are taking 4 connected, तो ये चारों साइड पे चेक करेगा, टॉप, बॉटम, लेफ्ट एंड राइट. तो जो जो पिक्सल कलर करना है अगर वो पहले से कलर्ड है तो इट विल लीव इट और इट विल फिल इट एल्स इट विल फिल द कलर. सो इट इसी तरह से ये रिकर्सिव कैसे होगा, फर्स्ट इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हेयर, देन फ्रॉम हेयर, देन अगेन हेयर, एंड इट विल complete until the process is completed till the first one. Okay, so we will see all the boundary filled algorithms and this polygon filling algorithm in our third unit, which we will start in our next lecture. So let's move on to the problem which have been faced using this recursive boundary fill algorithm. So it may not fill regions sometimes correctly when some interior pixel is already filled with color, and the algorithm will check this boundary pixel for filling and will found already filled, so recursive process will terminate. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि कभी if we are having any pixel that is already been filled, suppose that this is a pixel and it already will filled, तो इस केस में क्या होता है, इसका हम बाउंड्री और द नेबरिंग जो पिक्सल होता है we will check that one, and if it is not filled then we will fill, and else it will recursively process the filling process and it will terminate. So this may vary because of another interior pixel unfilled. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि जितने पिक्सल्स जो अनफिल्ड रह गए वो कहीं कहीं पे छूट जाता है, तो ये एक डिसएडवांटेज इसका है. सो वी हैव टू चेक ऑल द पिक्सल्स कलर before applying the algorithm. So this is very much difficult, and so this is the drawback, one of the drawback of this boundary filling recursive algorithm. So the second one is flood fill algorithm. So in this method a point or seed which is inside region is selected. तो flood fill क्या होता है? It is not a boundary filling algorithm. It is the we can fill inside, we have to fill the inside of any polygon. So in this method a point or seed which is inside region is selected. The point is called a seed point, and these 4 connected approach or 8 connected approach is used to fill the specified color. तो इस केस में क्या होता है, let's take an example. If we are having this pixel, तो यहाँ पे क्या करता है, इसके सेंटर पे कहीं पे भी एक पॉइंट ले लेता है जिसको हम बोलते हैं सीड पॉइंट. दिस इज द सीड पॉइंट, एंड वी विल चेक द 4 साइड्स ऑफ दिस सीड पॉइंट. इसके 4 साइड्स को, अगर 4 कनेक्टेड अप्रोच ले रहे हैं तो इसके 4 साइड्स को, एंड इफ़ वी आर टेकिंग 8 कनेक्टेड अप्रोच देन 8 पॉइंट्स को चेक करते हैं. तो इन 4 साइड्स पे चेक करते हैं, अगर ये फील्ड है तो छोड़ देते हैं, नहीं फील्ड है तो वी फिल द कलर, हम लोग फिल करते हैं. ठीक है, इसी तरह से ये रिकर्सिवली सारे पोजीशंस को फिल करता है. कब तक? जब तक इसको बाउंड्री नहीं मिलता है. तो एक एक करके पिक्सल ऐसे ऐसे बढ़ते जाएगा, एंड इट विल फिल ऑल द पिक्सल्स अंटिल इट विल रीच द बाउंड्री. तो इस तरह से किसी भी हम लोग एक पॉलीगन को फिल करते हैं. ओके, सो द फ्लड fill algorithm has many characters similar to boundary fill, but this method is more suitable for filling multiple colors boundary. And when boundary is of many colors and interior to be filled with one color, we use this algorithm. तो यहाँ पे तो बाउंड्री के कलर से हमें कुछ इफेक्ट नहीं हो रहा. वी कैन स्टार्ट फिलिंग फ्रॉम एनी पॉइंट अंटिल वी विल रीच द बाउंड्री. तो बाउंड्री, केवल बाउंड्री चाहिए, इस कलर का बाउंड्री उससे वी डू नॉट, हमें उससे मतलब है ही नहीं. सो इन fill algorithm we start from a specified position x, y and reassign all pixel values are currently set to a given interior color with the desired color. So using either a 4 connected or 8 connected approach, we then step through pixel positions until all interior points have been repainted. जब तक अंदर वाला इंटीरियर पॉइंट सारा पेंट नहीं होता तब तक we will not stop this approach. So there are certain disadvantages also of this flood fill algorithm. So it is very slow algorithm as it has to paint each and every pixel one by one. Second one is it may be fail for large polygons, क्योंकि large polygons में कहीं ना कहीं पे 1-2 पिक्सल छूट ही जाएगा. And the last one is initial pixel required more knowledge about surrounding pixels. ये जो पहला पिक्सल है उसको अगल बगल वाले पिक्सल के बारे में नॉलेज होना चाहिए. सो थैंक यू.